Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside ceramic fan heater model PKH 3000A1. 220-240 volt, rated power consumption is 3000 watt. We have a temperature controlled thermostat, 3 years warranty from Lidl, power cable length is 1.8 meter. We have two settings, 1500 watts and 3000 watts. You can see some pictures here, and let's open it to see what we have inside. Okay. And there is the manual. And I was wondering what is it. If you want to read it, of course, is your choice, but stay with me and you're gonna find out all about this ceramic heater. There's the manual. It's nice. Now here we got some adjustable grip. You can unscrew them. Okay, and you can rotate it how much you want. It's very easy. Nice. Let's plug it in to see how it works. Now we have the thermostat, minimum and maximum, and you can see the power LED. You can hear the fan. It's blowing air. Of course the air is cold now. If I will put it in the next settings, it is 1500 watt. And yes, I can feel the heatness. It comes out. It is quite strong heat. Yes, but in 3000 watt, definitely you can feel the differences, and you cannot put your hand for too long. And from here you've got minimum, max, how much you can adjust the thermostat, how much heatness you want to come out from this heater. Of course, this ceramic fan heater, you can use it if you're painting your house. It will dry faster, definitely. Or if you have some dry walls, it will help you to dry faster. Or if you have a basement that is too cold, you can use them to heat up your basement or a room. Do the job. Well, it costs only 40 euros, guys. And if you need something like that to your home, why not just buy it, or to your workplace. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like, my videos, your choice. Share this video if you never know who made it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.